Welcome to the Shire of Capel Libraries Lego sessions. Welcome back everybody. I hope you've had a good week. Now, do you have any ideas what this challenge might be this week? Any clues? I'll give you one. Here we go. It's a tree house. See the cover of this book? It is a tree house. So that's what our challenge is going to be this week. So I've made my tree house out of blocks, but I didn't make my tree. I got the branch out of the garden, and I also made a rope ladder to climb up. So sometimes you don't have to use Lego all the time. You can use other things to add to your Lego creation. Just improvise, use your imagination. So this week's challenge for you is treehouse, treehouse, treehouse. Post your pictures in the comment section of the Facebook page, and I would love to see your tree houses. Anyway, have a good week and let's go Lego. Bye.